Hey everybody, Kelly here with EXP Realty, and today's ninja marketing strategy is how to utilize what Gary Vee says is one of the most powerful tools for marketing, specifically in real estate. How to utilize this where you're either not breaking the bank or you have to be super tech savvy, hire this stuff out, and it becomes very monotonous and boring. How to do video blogging and use relevant content with high quality video and make it easy. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you a really cool ninja tactic on how you can take one of your blogs or a blog that you subscribe to and turn that blog into a video within minutes and have it done for you automatically. So if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell. Be notified every time that I go live with one of these marketing strategies. And guys, I have tons of videos you can start looking at when you have time. A lot of free lead gen stuff. So man, just enjoy yourself. Make sure you comment below if you've been an agent who has enjoyed my channel. If you've gotten some value, if you got some closings, comment below and let me know what's going on in your business. All right, so what I want to do is I'm going to show you one of my social media channels, Real Estate Keys. And I want to show you a sample of one of the video blogs that I just posted. There it is right there. Guys, it didn't take me hardly any time to do this. And let me click the sound and see if you can hear it. There it is. At the very end, let me see if I can get it there. So at the very end, with this process, you can actually brand it to you. There I am. Boom, Real Estate Ninja. So the topic, make sure you're putting a really good topic at the top for people to be able to watch it. Hey, before you commit to buying your next home, take a look at today's smart homes, blah, blah, blah. Put your name, branding, all of that. But guys, this was so simple to do. So let me walk you through how I did this. I am a part of several different group or real estate topic generating platforms, one of them being Keeping Current Matters. Now guys, I'm going to put a link to the bottom. If you haven't signed up for Keeping Current Matters, man, you're missing it. Now they've got a 14-day free trial. You literally can go in, and once you brand the account to your name, your picture, your email address, your website, your phone number, then if I were you, I would go ahead and download all of these articles because the articles are relevant content for sellers and buyers, renters, things like that. And it also has your information. And you can take the blog page, which has all of the blogs branded to you, and if you're really savvy, you can RSS feed them into your website and have an entire blog section done for you of content that you can share. You can auto-post this content to Facebook. But anyway, I digress. What I wanted to do was I wanted to share with you how easy this was. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and I'm going to pick just a random blog post. And by the way, this content that was on this video was a blog post, and it was something that I used to create that video. So let's go down, and I'll pick, let's just pick this one. 3 reasons why the pre-approval is the first step in 2020 home buying journey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a URL, because you're going to need a URL of whatever blogging post. And guys, there's tons of these things out here. This is the one that I use primarily. All right, then you're going to go to this site right here, which is the secret sauce, Lumen 5. Lumen5.com. I believe they have, and I'm using their free account. Now, on the free account, it does put their logo at the end. The way that I work around that is I upload it to some of my video software. I use, and I'll show you one of them that's like $30 a year that you can use, and you can literally take their logo out, cut it out. I also have a couple other things that I use. If you do the paid site, obviously it puts your branding, your logo on. I don't like to pay for something if I can do it myself. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a video. And it's going to ask me for a URL. And there it is right there. It's already picked up the entire blog of my Keeping Current Matters site. So there it is right there. Now, I'm not going to click this, but I want to show you what this looks like once you do the steps necessary to create it. So here is one of the blogs that I used. Okay, let's take a look at it. So once you put it into their system, it brings up the entire blog. Okay, there's the whole blog, and it converts this content into video. Again, just previewing it. There it is right there. The content that you see is the content that is on that blog, and they've made it into a really cool video to keep it. And it's only 2 minutes long. It's not that bad. So let me get out of here. Once I'm done, I hit publish, and within 4 minutes, it will download that video to my computer. I then upload that video to a couple sites. I'll use Screencast-O-Matic, and guys, you can get an account with them. Matter of fact, I'm doing the video right now using Screencast-O-Matic. I'm recording this video on their software, but you can upload videos and edit those videos. You can take the section that has their logo. You can superimpose your logo over their logo. I mean, there's so much you can do. I also use another site, and let me see if I can find it, guys. Boom. I use a site called Create. So what you're going to do, if you want to find out more about Create, you're going to go to Create by Vidello. I will leave a link to them underneath. And I think I paid like $30 for the entire software. And it's a whole software editing suite that is so simple to use. Once I upload videos, I pull them over. I can add music. I can add logos. I can add text. It's really cool stuff. But guys, I'm telling you right now, to get to this blog right here, to get to where, and let me refresh the screen. To get to that, it took me less than 10 minutes. Finding the video, downloading or uploading the URL to the Lumen site, and then the Lumen site took maybe 5 minutes to put the video together, and this is what I got right there. And I can share this from my real estate blog page to my personal page. So guys, look at that. I mean, it's an actual video with the blog content, and it's great stuff. So that's it, guys. I'm going to leave it there. Again, make sure you've got a great real estate page. Check out Keeping Current Matters. The link will be below. Do the 14-day free trial. It's like $25 a month, and you get just tons of content. Fresh content coming in every week. Great for posting on social media, and great for sending out in email blogs. Utilize this company called Lumen 5, so lumen5.com. I use the free version. And then check out sites like Screencast-O-Matic and other sites where you can upload. If you want to do the free Lumen account, then obviously you've got their logo. So find ways to upload the stuff to your video software, put your logo on it, and boom, you're off and running. I hope this was helpful. I hope that you guys will be able to see how easy this is. And guys, like I said, the video blog that I put together took me less than 10 minutes, and half of that was the rendering. So you could literally do 1 to 2 of these a day. And look at the content that you're giving people. I mean, this stuff will be shared. If you pick the right blog articles, you'll have the ability to see this stuff go viral. And guys, video is being watched more in today's Facebook and social media, Twitter, and you can share this on all the other sites. But in today's economy, video is being seen more than just simple posting of blog articles, or even when you post a house for sale from your IDX link. I'm telling you, the video, people are looking at it. All right, I hope this was something that was of value to you. If so, go ahead and comment below. Let me know. And guys, if you are in a broker situation right now, if you're not happy where you're at and you want to have a conversation about EXP Realty, go ahead and reach out to me. I'll have a scheduling link below. You can set up a time to talk with me. Here's my promise. I'm not going to recruit you. I'm not going to give you the candy version. I'm going to share with you exactly why I moved my business into EXP, how it's impacted me, and then answer any questions you have. So I'm available to you. If you want to talk all things EXP, hit me up. We'll schedule a 15-minute conference on Zoom, and I will answer any questions you have. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the bell, and look for my next video. Love you guys. Peace out, and listen, go get you some.